starting his most potent 5 sa Delph.
Oo.
Init ng maaga itong si Ryan Suwal.
That's true. Naagaw ni Lawrence Victoria. Ahead to Inigo. Layup is good. Combining for just 19 in the ball game so far.
It is low scoring pero up tempo sa Delph. A lot of
It's the last time out to go with 5 assists. Puts Pasay on the board. Sarangani still looking for its first basket here. Destacamento.
strong side.
Atake. Yeah, and he lays it in for 2.
Oo.
Here's Madayag looking to push the pace. Madayag recovered by Alves and he gets the 2 points. Victoria, left-handed layup is good. Here's Victoria on that drive. Parang kahit sumakay pa si Madayag.
On the arc itong Pasay to start this game.
And that's good para kay Larsunga.
A lot of runnings. And siguro pagdating ng second quarter, mag-i-slow down na to kasi medyo naramdaman na.
In this game, gusto niya maulit-ulit ito kasama ang equal opportunity sa loob. So, mas marami pa daw ball rotation at selfless plays sa Coach Louie.
Maraming salamat, Sydney. Certainly a nice performance from a mature. Makakuha sila ng advantage and that includes the physicality of the game. Pero ang ganda ng response nitong Pasay.
Oo. Sa akin naman Pasay, every time they play against big teams, they play well. Toronto, they know that to them, itong Sarangani is beatable pero huwag nilang kalimutan that they need to work on that.
As we take a look at that three-pointer galing kay Paul Manalang setup.
More combination guard plus one big man with Kanyal. Siguro gusto niyang pabilisin pa talaga yung laro eh.
Possible three-point play for him. Change of pace. Nahuli ang depensa as he lays it in for shot clock na itong Pasay. Inigo, nakuha ang bola ngayon. Binabantayan ni Suwal. Bonifacio. Lumapit. Oh, 2 points. Bonifacio, because he usually stays at the perimeter. And mind you, he is a good shooter sa area na yun. Lawrence Victoria on the move. He swings it over to Inigo all day to shoot.
Oo, mas nakakapagod. And sa akin kasi, that adds chemistry kasi mas malalim na yung chemistry nitong Voyagers. Kaya yung teammates niya knows where to locate Axel.
Hit a 3 earlier, no go this time. Lawrence Victoria, libre na naman si Inigo. 3, yes! Norin yung 3-point shot of the game brought to you by Extreme One-Stop Shop Appliances. And it did not matter na naghahabol si Caliano because Inigo already had his eyes on the rim.
Deliver ng gusto si Ryan Suwal. Pero itong activity ni King Destacamento, ni Charles Caliano, now J-Mark Maria.
They get the stop. Sarangani, Caliano, binigay kay J-Mark Malyari. Oh, a lot of space there for J-Mark to fire.
Oh, and you cannot do that against a guy who just made a basket. Itong Pasay Voyagers on J-Mark Malyari.
And that's a confident-looking shot as well. Nung ang unang tira niya, coach ha.
Oo.
Ito, yung pangalawa, medyo inasinta pa niya eh.
Imagine.
For Pasay, binigay kay Lawrence Victoria. Coronel wasn't expecting the pass, but puts it in off the glass.
Oo.
Para sa Pasay because, you know, when Lawrence Victoria is nowhere to go and mahahanap niya to si Inigo eh.
Oo. He knows where to put himself for that bailout pass and shot.
Malyari to Alves. Have combined for 22 points in the first half. And that's 22 of the 30 nitong Sarangani Marlin.
Masaya pa rin na naglalaro kasi Delph eh.
And also, you know, may kaakibat na uncertainty yan.
Stint nila sa Bacolod and he just keeps getting better. I think next year, siguro once magkaroon pa ng konting muscle itong
Malyari misses. Takbo ngayon ng Pasay. Bonifacio.
Good pass.
Inside, and Coronel gets the 2 points. Ano to eh, parang, you know, he's all over the floor, and then by the time you finish the game, kompleto ang stat sheet nito. This play of the game is brought to you by Suzuki.
And it's always been a luxury for...
Miss ng Pasay sa free throw line. So, Alto Destacamento. Yung move na yan ng big man na pagtanggap ng bola doon sa top of the kickoff shot, parang sobrang prone sa traveling yun. Rasual puts it in. Basket plus the foul.
And you can see in the face of Ryan Sual na finally nakabutas din ako. And I keep talking about dun, balikan natin yung sinasabi mo sa Delph, no? Yung big man na...
Pagtanggap ng bola, mag-rip dribble, tapos mag-dribble siya, no? Rebound, Bonifacio.
Ganda sana kung shoot yun, no?
Inigo to Lawrence. Fires a 3. That's good.
Back-to-back 3-pointers from Pasay. Hindi naman natin, it's proven na this Pasay team is a Bonifacio and a Lawrence Victoria team.
Oo. And that time, Lawrence Victoria knocks down the 3. After that, hindi niya natapos. Destacamento now.
Good move.
Labas kay Roque. Caliano. Puts Inigo on his hip. The one-hander is good.
Oh, and they need play.
Caliano.
Yeah, kaya Destacamento.
Nalibre si Destacamento. Maliari now. Gets into the lane. The fadeaway is good para kay J. Mark Maliari.
Mangan.
And that was the last out-of-bounds play. Last touch ng Sarangani. Tabi! A double. That's a miss earlier from Sanlenga. Siya kanina, may magandang galaw siya kanina. Nakashoot siya ng third quarter as si Jomer Madayag makes it a 5-point game after that putback earlier. AJ Coronel, Reverente, 3 seconds to work with. Bonifacio inside, Warren Bonifacio. Gawin ko kayang mas madalas sa next game.
Oo, and ang maganda dito sa Delph, yung pag-operate niya top of the...
Victoria. Layup, yes.
That's too easy. Sa start ng ball game, even if they start slow, because Coach Marlon knows his player that way will work after build their biggest lead, 59-48.
They're claiming that AJ Coronel traveled here. They may have a case. As our last 2 minutes is brought to you by GameX Sports, the official online basketball any partner of the MPBL. Basta ending, GameX. Think of the fight here. 7 na lang ang lamang ng Pasay. 3-possession game. Victoria. Victoria attacks and scores. Let's watch this play of the game. Atid sa inyo ng Suzuki.
You know what? That's what I like with Lawrence. Every time he gets to that flow, pag binaba niya na yung balikat niya, tapos maisuksok niya na, talagang kontroladong.
Hayes. Binigay kay Maliari. J-Mark.
Oo. Good pass.
No look pass to Madayag. Back to J-Mark. 2 points. Review actually kanina. Kaya medyo dinelay niya ng dinelay eh.
Oo.
As we take a look at the basket galing kay Maliari from the pass of Madayag.
Shooting.
Larsunga will attack and he will miss, and that's the ball game.
That's gonna be it.